Greetings from Mariehamn, Åland, Finland, from this sandy beach, Gröna Udden's Badstrand. And I have here the Finnish flag. However, Åland has also their own flag for the autonomous region that they are, but they are officially part of Finland also. So that's why I took my Finnish flag with me here on my trip in Mariehamn. And yes, it is 31st of August 2024 and my birthday also as well. And I am now exploring Mariehamn, Åland. That's part of Finland obviously. And I am exploring the beaches today on my birthday, as I always do. So I will be now checking out this beach, Gröna Udden's Badstrand, over here in Mariehamn. The weather is not the best, so that's why there is basically nobody on the beach. And this beach is actually part of a camping that you can see. There are some camping tracks and few tents. I mean tents. A tent is actually Swedish. And in this series of my beach adventures from Mariehamn, Åland, I am sharing with you also some facts about Åland. And the fact for the second episode is that the official language of Åland is, believe it or not, Swedish. Yes, so they speak Swedish here in Åland, despite being part of Finland. And when I arrived, I started to see like signs in Swedish, and I was like, what is this? That was strange. Then I heard people on the streets speaking Swedish, so that was actually my cue that they speak Swedish here. So it's a Swedish speaking region, part of Finland in short. And so yes, Swedish speaking region, part of Finland. This is the Finnish flag, of course, obviously. And yes, so I am then gonna go for a swim, the second one for today, after visiting earlier Lilla Holmen. That's just a few hundred meters away from here in that direction. But now I'm showing you yet another beach, and another sandy beach as well. It seems that they have taken the sand from the same place, as it is the same sand as the other beach that I visited earlier. And there is a jetty that is closed, I can see, and a volleyball court, some children playground, and as I mentioned, it's obviously a camping. And there is a sauna even there, probably for the guests of the camping only. I think there is a sauna at the place where I'm staying. It's very close hereby. It's also like some part of camping, but I'm staying in a cabin actually for one night only. And I have also breakfast tomorrow as well. Yes, so I was taking the cruise ship from Stockholm and then get off at Mariehamn, and I'm going to be coming back tomorrow with a different boat back to Stockholm. So I have probably like 2 days, but actually it's technically 24 hours because I have arrived today at 2 p.m. and I'm going to be leaving tomorrow at the same time. So 24 hours in Mariehamn. Let's explore as many beaches as I can. So let's then check out here. The beach looks nice. The water 17 degrees Celsius, I measured already. And we have 15 degrees Celsius in the air. So that is why there is nobody swimming here on the beach. I see some interesting rocks on the other side that are probably very nice for taking a swim and to enjoy in the sea. So as long as the wind is not blowing like crazy, I think it's going to be fine. But when it's blowing, you feel the chills from the wind. The water is quite nice, I cannot lie. 17 is quite decent for me. So let's then speed up and enjoy the swim on my birthday in Mariehamn in Åland. So here actually the sand where I'm walking is a bit more wet and muddy compared to the one at Lilla Holmen. So that's maybe some interesting thought. Alright, then let's take a swim and enjoy at the Gröna Udden's Badstrand. That's actually the name in Swedish, which also can tell you that they speak Swedish here in Åland. Let's go! Very nice. Very nice swim in the Baltic Sea. Whew. Alright then, that's a wrap from Gröna Udden's Badstrand, my beach adventure over here at Mariehamn, Åland, Finland. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me on my birthday. It's been a pleasure. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!